Hello everyone, this is HAIRGOALS. Today I want to do a small unboxing of original doll Love Surprise HAIRGOALS series. For a long time I wanted to have one of these dolls, and now it arrives to me. This doll from the last series which should have real hair. On this box you can see the pink color of the box through the perforation. So I'm almost 100% sure that we slow with the real hair, and that's so cool. Let's start. Here is the drawing of the other girl. At this part they give us a hint, and we can guess what doll we can find here. Now we find a magic mirror. Just look how beautiful is this capsule. And it's pink. That means today we will find a doll with real hair. Stickers which looks like a hairpin. It's so interesting what doll is inside. It's so interesting what doll is inside. Here is the doll. It's still in silicone dress and with the mask for eyes, which looks like panda. Also inside there are two curlers, inside them another surprises. I want so much to open the doll first, but let's see what accessories she has. Bracelets, pink boots with black soles, necklace, hairbrush, And the bottle with small hat. It's so cute. You can see what clothes will be on our doll. Inside the cap there is a lounge zone for our doll. It's a couch and holder for the bottle. Hey, let's start the unpacking of the doll. She white swimming suit and tights. Just look how beautiful she is. She has a two-color purple hair, and we have the Daring Diva doll. She's from the fancy chic category, and she should change the color. Let's look at her superpower. We will put her in the cold water. Look what a cool suit appears! The shirt becomes denim and the top becomes white and pink. She also can spit the water. Her suit is very pretty and the quality of the doll is very high. I hope you like this video and you will push the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching.